xDesign on the 3D Experience platform delivers a paradigm shift in the way you design components. Starting with its unique single modeling environment, you're no longer constrained by working with parts or assemblies like traditional design tools. Instead, you can get right to work creating the sketches and features that define your design. Within xDesign, you will find both familiar sketch and feature tools, but you will also experience a host of innovative ways to tackle design challenges quickly. For example, while interactively sketching profiles, xDesign guides you in understanding which entities are geometrically constrained. As you add relationships between entities capturing design intent, the color of those entities changes, helping you to define your sketches. Likewise, xDesign is always aiding you in capturing design intent by automatically creating many of these relationships for you. Are you continuously drawing the same diameter circle? xDesign recognizes this and automatically makes them equal to one another. If you want more finite control over the geometric constraints in your design, you can always select any combination of entities, and xDesign presents you with an intelligent list of relevant relationships you can add manually. As your sketches take shape, xDesign highlights the contours within them, giving you insight into the shape of the features that will ultimately be created. This provides a better understanding of the overall design as your sketches take on more complexity. Creating three-dimensional features from your 2D sketches is fluid and simple in xDesign. Multiple options for controlling the final shape are available from every feature dialog, eliminating the need for different versions of similar features. For instance, the extrude command can create features that are solids or surfaces. They can add or remove material or even start completely new bodies, all within a single command. Nearly every feature in xDesign can also be dynamically changed to be a different feature of a similar type, on the fly without the need to start a different command. Maybe you started creating a chamfer and decided you wanted to fill it instead. You can quickly swap the feature type and make the appropriate choices without ever having to leave the tool. Likewise, you can return to a feature you've already created and change the type of feature later, eliminating the need to delete and recreate the feature. This gives you unparalleled flexibility as you create and make changes to your designs, as well as eliminating the need to learn different features for similar tasks. As these designs take shape, the power of the single modeling environment becomes more than just creating new geometry when and where you want. It also offers the flexibility to define which combinations of features comprise entirely new components. xDesign allows you to select those features and create a new component from them on the fly. These newly created components can be reused in other designs and managed with other apps on the 3D Experience platform.